How to get lost streaks back on Snapchat. So, as of today, there's still no option or feature in which you may be able to get back your lost streaks on Snapchat. Well, what I would suggest is that you should open your Snapchat app, go to your chats, go to that person that you have streaks with before, and then you should try to send them snaps once again. So there are times that your streaks will come back, especially if it is not that long or it has not been lost that long, then that sheets might come back. However, if you have um, that streaks for too long already, then you should restart or you will restart the streaks that you have with your friend. So again, just simply do what you do before. You just simply send snaps to your friend and then they should send you snaps as well, and then restart the streaks that you have. So again, there's still no feature in which you may be able to get back the lost streaks that you have on Snapchat. So that's it. That's how you can get lost streaks back on Snapchat.
So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.